Jenny Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we are going to be making some fun embellishments for the Halloween series. I'm going to show you guys how to make this really fun embellishment. I thought these turned out so cute. I absolutely adore them. They're so adorable. And it's so much fun to create. So I want to show you guys how I did this, okay? Now my voice sounds a little bit raspy, very manly, not sexy at all. I know, I'm very sorry for that, but I do want to get these videos out there for you guys. Today is the 1st of October, which means Halloween is coming pretty much almost like in a few days, because next thing you know, boom, Halloween is here. So I gotta get these videos out to you guys, and I gotta get these videos going, okay? So I apologize for my raspy voice, but please try to get through this video without getting annoyed at my manly voice. Okay, let's get started, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using some cupcake liners that I have here from last year. Find whatever cupcake liners you are drawn to. I love this one because of the colors, and it kind of matches with what we're going to be doing in the front, so it worked for me, okay? So here I have my cupcake liner. I believe I got this at Michael's last year, or no, actually maybe this year. I don't remember. I can't remember right now, but I do believe that I did buy this at Michael's. And then I have the smaller cupcake liner, which is going to go in the front of the bigger one, okay? So, all right, let's get started, babies. Let's get started. Let me put you a little bit more closer to me. So fold your cupcake liners in half like I always do, and get the shape that you are happy with, okay? And that's gonna go in the center of that one. We're gonna do two embellishments together, okay? And these embellishments are so adorable. You can add these to like a banner, or you can add them to like a cupcake topper. You can really do a lot with this cute embellishment, which I think is so cute and adorable. Okay, so now that we have here our little cupcake liners with the shape that we want, we're going to glue these down, okay? I have my hot glue here, so let's glue these down. Let's put this right here so we get out of the way. All right, let's glue these down, babies, okay? Oh, where did my glue go? It fell. Oh, must have fell, my glue. Okay, no problem. I have another one here. Okay. I'm gonna put the one in the middle and just give it that shape that you're looking for. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one. I'm trying to fight off this cold that I'm getting, and I think I'm being successful, even though it doesn't sound like I am. Okay, there you go. Very good. Okay, so what we're gonna do in the middle of the embellishment, this is gonna be super duper easy. Okay, so last year at Michael's, they had these really super adorable cupcake toppers. I don't know if you guys remember, but Michael's had these cupcake toppers last year, and I thought it would be a great idea to use this and incorporate it in this project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use these little cupcake toppers and try to create like a nice little scenery so that we can make these adorable embellishments. So the cupcake toppers are the witch legs right here, okay? And they're also this really fun, happy Halloween sign. So I'm gonna use these two to create some fun embellishments. So what I did here is, here are the two cupcake liners. Let's put this on the side while we work with the little cupcake, not liners, I'm sorry, cupcake toppers, okay? And the little baggie looks like this. They also have some this year, not like this, but different ones that are also really, really fun. Okay. So what I did here was I cut the bottom part of this cupcake topper to kind of build a little scenery. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut the top off the witch legs, okay, because we really don't need this top. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with the little sign. Okay, I'm going to cut the sign off as well, well, the little bottom part of the sign. Normally this is what you put into the cupcake to hold it right in place, and that the cupcake topper will do that. But since we're not using any cupcakes, we don't need this little part, okay? Okay, beautiful. So there you go. See? These are the two little signs without the little stand. Okay? Beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some double-sided tape dimensions on the little sign because I want to add this right in front of my witch legs. Okay? Can you guys see well there? Let me put you more closer. So I have my dimension here that I want to add. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the dimension in the back. Well, actually, we can add it in front of the witch legs, and then we're going to adhere this right over it, okay? So let's do that. It's gonna look like a witch leg is holding a Halloween sign. So cute. Okay. And now we're gonna add the Happy Halloween right in front. Just like that. Now, to make it more fun, what I also did was I added a witch hat. And the hat that I am using is the one from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using this sparkly one right here, and I'm also going to use a black one, okay? If you don't have these like wood veneer hats that the Dollar Tree sells, you can always buy or get a sticker that looks like a little witch hat. Michael has tons of witch hat stickers. You can probably use that as well, okay? So here I have my wood veneer witch hat. I'm going to put it right in the side of my beautiful little sign, okay? Now I don't know if I put dimensions on this. I did. Okay, so what I did was the dimension that it already comes with, I kind of very carefully peeled it off and moved it down because I want to put my witch hat on this side, okay? Now you don't have to use the little dimension that comes with the witch hat. You can always peel this off and just glue it down directly to your little sign. I just like that little dimension look to my embellishments, okay? So we're going to hot glue this right over on the side of the little Halloween sign, okay? Let's get our hot glue and let's do that, babies. I try not to cover the word Halloween. I mean, it's kind of hard because the witch hat, it's, you know, pretty big. But I do my best not to cover the word Halloween. Okay. All right. Perfect. There you go. The next thing that I did with these, I put some really fun little bows that I made out of these twine. I have one here made already. We're going to add that right in front of the witch hat. And I have to make another one for you. You can make this out of twine or out of ribbon or, you know, out of yarn. Whatever you have at home, you can, you know, create your little bow. Don't go out and start buying stuff. The dollar store, Dollar Tree, has these twines that they sell, 3 little twine bundles for $1. I mean, that's freaking awesome. They look like this. Okay, and that saves you a lot of money also. So, you know, just be creative. Okay, so I'm gonna add my adorable little bow right in front of my witch hat. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to add it right in the middle of my witch hat. So adorable. I love this embellishment. Oops. These little suckers, these like strings, these glue strings are so feisty. Okay, and the last thing I did was I added a pom-pom to the top of my witch hat, which I have here. I'm not going to add a pom-pom, to be honest with you, because I ran out of the little tiny pom-poms. This pom-pom I think is too big. As you can see the comparison next to that one, I think it's, I mean, I guess we could add it. Okay, we'll add it. We'll add it to the tip of the witch hat, but normally I would probably add smaller pom-poms to the tip, okay? But you know what? We'll just add that one for now because we don't really have anything else. I do have tiny little pom-poms, but not orange, and I wanted to use orange for this particular project. Okay, so I'm going to add this right in the tip of my witch hat, okay? And just hold that for a few seconds. Okay, and let's do the same thing with the other one. And this project is basically done. All we gotta do is just add our embellishment to our cupcake liner, and then we're done. Super easy, right? Now, this will be a perfect project to add in front of a Halloween card, like a greeting card that you're making. This will be super duper cute to do. Obviously minus the pom-pom because you don't want to create too much dimension. But if you don't add the pom-pom and you just add this directly to a Halloween greeting card, amazing greeting card. Trust me. Okay, we're done. We are going to be adding some dimensions in the back of our embellishment so we can lift it up a little bit. And guess what, my loves? We are done with this project. How easy and simple was this project, right? And these are so cute. I love them. I absolutely love them. I think I'm gonna add just one dimension. Okay, and I'm gonna add one here. And then I'm gonna add a dab of hot glue because I don't want my embellishment to fall apart. And I'm gonna add this right in the center of my cupcake liner, and we are done. That's so cute. I love it. I really do like this embellishment. This is such a cute embellishment. So like up my alley. I love these embellishments. Kind of like gives you like that vintagey look to it, you know. Very pretty, very simple, but just so full of details. And that basically is how you create these amazing, adorable, super cute embellishments, guys. Look at that. Look how cute these are. Aren't these adorable? I love them. I absolutely love them. Okay, and that's it, my loves. That's all I'm gonna show you for today. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable embellishments. Make sure that if you make them or you create something similar to these, you tag me on Instagram so I can see your amazing work. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, babies. Have a great weekend. Bye. Be safe.